How to quickly change the ear tips on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So right now I have the large ones on, and you just pull them out like they're a sock, and you just grab, squeeze, and pull. And then to put on the new earbud, there's a little bit of like just an outcropping right here and on the top and the bottom, and you match that up on this side. As you can see, there's that little indent right there. So you line them up and you push them together, and they just click right in. And there we go. You got your new ear tip on. And don't be, nervous. I think maybe they had some initial issues, but as long as you pull it out, grab near the base, and then just, you don't want to pull too hard, but just kind of consistently pull out. You'll be able to pull them right out, and they click in really easy. So just like that, and they are back in. So hopefully this helps if you want to change your earbuds. I haven't been able to find any decent aftermarket ones. I found a set on eBay for 20 bucks, but I'm waiting until a reputable manufacturer makes them, because I think if these earbuds, if you can get some foam ones, I think it can really help with the fit. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please leave me a like. And if you're interested in not sponsored technology and 3D printing, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.